Standing tall against the golden horizon of the African savanna, they are the undisputed icons of the wilderness. With legs that dwarf humans and necks that defy gravity, they seem like creatures from a prehistoric era. Welcome back to the Wildlife Lab. Today, we are exploring the biology of the world's tallest land mammal, the giraffe. To the casual observer, giraffes appeared to be gentle, silent grazers, but beneath that calm exterior lies a marvel of biological engineering. They possess a cardiovascular system that functions like a high-pressure hydraulic machine. They have a tongue that acts as a prehensile limb, and contrary to popular belief, they are not silent. They communicate in ways we are only just beginning to understand. From the dry deserts of Namibia to the acacia woodlands of Kenya, giraffes have adapted to survive where few others can. But today, they face a threat so quiet, it has gone almost unnoticed by the world. Join us as we uncover the true nature of these gentle giants. This is the ultimate guide to the giraffe. For over a century, scientists believed there was only one species of giraffe. However, recent genetic studies have revolutionized our understanding of these animals. In 2016, groundbreaking DNA research revealed that giraffes are not a single species. The genetic difference between some giraffe populations is as significant as the difference between a polar bear and a brown bear. While the scientific debate continues, most modern research now categorizes them into 4 distinct species. The northern giraffe, native to North and Central Africa. This group includes the endangered Nubian giraffe. They are distinguished by their legs, which are often pure white and free of spots. The reticulated giraffe, found primarily in Kenya. They are the most recognizable, featuring a striking pattern of liver-colored polygons separated by bright white lines. 3. The Maasai giraffe. The most populous species, found in Tanzania and Kenya. Their spots are jagged and resemble oak leaves or stars. The southern giraffe. Found in southern Africa, these giraffes often have spots that extend all the way down to their hooves. Identifying them isn't just about patterns, it's also about their ossicones. These horn-like structures on their heads are made of ossified cartilage. Interestingly, you can determine the sex of a giraffe by looking at them. Males usually have bald tips due to fighting, while females have tufts of hair on top. How does an animal grow to be 18 feet tall without passing out? The answer lies in their incredible anatomy. The most critical challenge for a giraffe is gravity. To pump blood from the heart up to the brain, a vertical distance of over 6 feet, requires a biological super engine. A giraffe's heart weighs up to 25 pounds, 11 kilograms, and generates a blood pressure that is roughly double that of a healthy human. It is the highest blood pressure of any mammal. But this creates a dangerous problem. When a giraffe lowers its head to drink, gravity should theoretically cause blood to rush to the brain, leading to a stroke. To prevent this, nature has equipped them with a safety valve called the Rete Mirabile, or wonderful net. This network of capillaries at the base of the brain regulates blood flow, protecting them every time they take a drink. Furthermore, let's look at the neck. Despite its immense length, a giraffe has only 7 cervical vertebrae, the exact same number as a human. The difference is that each of their vertebrae can be nearly a foot long, connected by incredibly strong muscles and ligaments that hold the neck upright effortlessly. Giraffes are browsers, meaning they feed on leaves and buds high in the trees, avoiding competition with grazers like zebras and wildebeest. Their primary food source is the acacia tree. These trees are Interestingly, the tongue is dark purple or black in color. Scientists believe this high concentration of melanin acts as a natural sunscreen, preventing the tongue from being burned during hours of feeding under the intense African sun. But their diet has a strange, darker side. Giraffes have occasionally been filmed chewing on bones from dead carcasses. This behavior is known as osteophagia. They are not eating the bone for meat, they are chewing it to extract calcium and phosphorus. Maintaining such a massive skeleton requires huge amounts of minerals, and when their leafy diet is insufficient, they turn to nature's raw materials to stay healthy. Giraffes are often seen in loose groups called towers. Unlike elephants, they do not have a strict matriarchal hierarchy, and individuals often drift between groups. However, the males engage in violent contests for dominance, known as necking. This is not a gentle ritual. Two males will swing their heavy, reinforced skulls at each other with tremendous force. These blows can be heard from a distance and can sometimes result in serious injury or knockout. For decades, another myth persisted, that giraffes are silent. Because humans rarely heard them make sounds, it was assumed they couldn't. We were wrong. Recent bioacoustic research has proven that giraffes communicate using infrasound, low-frequency hums that travel long distances, often below the range of human hearing. They are constantly talking to one another. We simply lack the ears to hear them. We end with a critical message. The giraffe is currently facing what biologists call a silent extinction. Because they are still seen in zoos and movies, many people assume they are safe. The reality is grim. In the last 30 years, wild giraffe populations have plummeted by nearly 40%. Today, there are only about 117,000 giraffes left in the wild, far fewer than the number of African elephants. The threats are human-driven: habitat fragmentation, expansion of agriculture, and poaching. In some regions, they are hunted for their meat and tails. Why does this matter? Giraffes are keystone pollinators. As they travel across the savanna, eating from the tops of trees, they spread pollen and seeds over vast distances. They maintain the health of the acacia woodlands. Without them, the ecosystem would fundamentally change. Conservation organizations are fighting back, moving herds to protected areas and tracking them with satellite technology. But they need global awareness to succeed. From their complex blood pressure systems to their hidden language, giraffes are a testament to nature's brilliance. They remind us that even the giants need our protection. If you found this deep dive into the world of giraffes fascinating, please like and subscribe to the Wildlife Lab. Which animal do you want us to profile next? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay wild.